Samsung just sent event details for its Unpacked event on the Galaxy S9. The rumors of the LCD iPhone have returned and it's not going to come cheap, and it seems the Huawei P11 might still be in plans, but yes, I said P11. I'm Jaime Rivera, and fun fact, I had to record this video again because the hottest news changed about an hour ago. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with the deals that I actually am having a hard time sharing because, well, Pebble support is going to end in June. If you have a Pebble smartwatch, sadly, there will be no more software updates after that. As a consolation prize, Fitbit is offering $50 off its Ionic smartwatch, the ugliest smartwatch you can buy, but yeah, it's there. Now let's talk about iOS. For those of you that noticed, there is iOS 11.2.5 already available to everyone, or at least the devices that are compatible. But the most interesting part is that we thought that the battery improvements and the way to toggle performance changes on and off was going to come in this update. It's not. It seems that the update only brings changes for the HomePod. Those of you interested in updates for the whole battery thing, you'll have to wait until 11.3 according to sources. Now let's move the spotlight over to Huawei. We were expecting the P20 to be announced at MWC, then we got word that it wasn't. Now we hear registration trademark information for the P11, P12, and P20. So apparently the P20 is still going to happen, but in the United States, and then the P11 and P12 is going to launch in Europe. What the differences are is still hard to predict, but yeah, MWC might still bring something. Now, let's talk about the next generation iPhone, as we've got trusted sources claiming that there will be an LCD iPhone that is going to be mid-range. But listen to this. So the differences are that it has an LCD display, that it's going to be an aluminum body with 6.1 inches diagonal on that LCD display. So yeah, it's going to have a less strong body with the same design elements of the iPhone X. The problem is that they're calling this the mid-range iPhone, and apparently it's going to cost between $700 and $800. Like, really? Mid-range? And finally, the very hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S9. This video was already recorded. We had to record it again because this dramatically changes everything. Unpacked event details are for February 25th, which is obviously the day before MWC begins in Barcelona. We've already been invited. We're going to participate in that event. We'll give you all the coverage live. Most interesting is what is being said about this Unpacked in the event details. It says that it's going to reimagine the camera. So in today's question, what exactly do you think Samsung is going to do to reimagine the camera with the Galaxy S9? Because about the only rumors we have are of the variable aperture in the camera. Do you think that's going to be enough to reimagine the camera? Particularly at a time when Google has proven that it could just make everybody look bad with the Pixel 2 XL and Pixel 2? Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the Pixel 2 XL down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.